Hey everyone, Markeisha here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a bag that I got for Christmas for my husband. So let's go ahead and get started. So my husband picked this bag up for me for Christmas, and of course I've already seen it, but so this is the Coach Willow bag in the color chalk color block. And the reason why it's color block is because it has the beige strap or darker beige strap, and then it has the chocolate brown Coach tag. My daughter actually came in my closet and she saw my other handbags and just the colorway, so she knows I love neutrals. So I'm really thrilled and I'm happy that they picked this one up. So just looking at the bag, it is a C turn lock, and it's kind of like a bucket bag mixed with a shoulder bag. Just gonna do this, and if I do that, it opens the bag up, and there's a compartment on this side, a compartment on this side, and then there is a zipped compartment in the middle here. So it does come with 2 straps, and I love that Coach bags come with multiple straps. So this is the longer strap, and I love that the strap is thick and it's not like a thin strap. It just has the clasps here with the Coach engraving, and it also has the shorter strap here, so you can carry this as a shoulder bag. The bag does have feet, and I absolutely love bags that have feet. Just looking at the stitching here, love the stitching. This is pebbled leather, and I just love how it cinches in on the side, and the reinforcement here that Coach did, that detail, and it has the Coach engraving here. And as I mentioned, it's in the beautiful color chalk. So the only chocolate brown color is the Coach tag. On the inside, it is leather lined in both compartments. It does come with a Coach dust bag. Love that feature. I'm just gonna take out the paper here. So that you can see it a little bit better, hopefully. So the Coach creed is on this side in the front pocket. It's on the front, and you could definitely fit a lot in this bag. This is definitely a good option for an everyday bag, especially if you don't really want a tote and you still want something stylish, but like a little crossbody bag just won't do. So this is definitely a great option. The front is the turn lock, as I mentioned. Then you have the middle. So if you want that extra added security, you can put your wallet in the middle or important documents. And then the back, it has a magnetic closure and a slip pocket here. I could definitely see myself traveling with this bag because it is a good size and a good option, so I don't have to carry a tote. I probably wouldn't carry it on a plane because I don't want to have to put it on the seat. But if I were doing like travel by land, I would definitely carry this bag. So again, this is the bag, the top. I'm going to put some shots in here of me modeling the bag so you can see what it looks like with it on my shoulder as well as crossbody. I wouldn't wear this bag crossbody for me. I just feel like it's too big as a crossbody, but I would definitely wear it as a shoulder bag. So again, this is my Coach Willow in the color chalk color block. I absolutely love this bag. I'm just going to do the turn lock here. I just think this is a great bag to add to your Coach collection. My Coach collection is growing steadily. I don't want to overdo it. I just want to add bags that I know I'm going to enjoy wearing, that I love. And I definitely love this one. Just think it's really pretty, and it's very classic and very mature. So yes, this is my Coach Willow. Definitely leave me a comment letting me know your thoughts. If you have this bag, if you've been looking at this bag, definitely leave me a comment below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.